Alrighty, folks, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is July 20th, 2022. This is the 3D market commentary on our channel. We'll be getting started in just a few seconds. The disclaimer is, of course, running there for your use and your understanding that this is for educational and instructional purposes only. So let's go ahead and get started with the 3D market commentary for today. This is what it would look like in your inbox Monday through Friday, as long as you sign up for a free membership, which you can find at the link down below here, tradewithufos.com/newsflash. The 3D market commentary consists of a three-dimensional approach that we take, and that three-dimensional approach is broken down by the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and the market volatility. The market climate presented down here by the auto climate indicator that we have in our arsenal, giving us the directionality of that particular instrument that we're looking at, whether we should be looking for long or short opportunities. Buy and sell UFOs, those unmistakably named UFOs, the unfilled orders, that's a patented and proprietary technology that we utilize for entries and exits, also shown looking like flying saucers here on the chart. And of course, the market volatility, the upcoming price change speed, whether or not we need to be changing or adjusting our risk to reward ratio based on how volatile that particular market may be moving. So combining these statistical elements, they help us remain objective and realistic when trading, investing, or hedging. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the with the first instrument here today, the first market that we're going to be looking at, which is the S&P 500. As we see right now, the current market climate is a confirmed up climate, the first one out of typically 9. We do have nearby UFOs, the 3713.5 to 3639. It looks like it was tested before, and that's where this move may be coming from. Nearest sell UFO is above here at 4432.75 to 4509 even. Based on the VIX, we're still looking at elevated volatility, 24.35%. Volatility, 60.31 for the day. Right now, the S&P has fallen quite a bit from the all-time highs that we put up in, I would say, right at the end of the year last year. Not unexpectedly so. Several attempts were made to kind of retry and then regain the control of this sell-off. However, the only last one that actually kind of challenged the previous stop and closed above was this one. Other than that, we've had a couple of attempts here as well, but ultimately, as you see, by the representation of the majority of the climates down below here, we've just mostly had selling pressure for the this first half of the year, these first 2 quarters. All right. Now, if you want to educate yourself with our main asset classes, which we do have on offer here for you, we have futures, stocks, forex, as well as crypto. We also have backtesting trading plans and trading psychology courses that help you test the concepts of some of these main asset classes that we have. You can use this link here, or of course the one down below here, to be able to register for any one of the courses. They come with a 3-month complimentary access to auto UFOs and auto climate. Okay, the next instrument that we're going to look at is crude oil. Crude oil is in an unconfirmed up climate right now. As you see, it's the first unconfirmed up climate out of typically 7 confirmed climate up climates that it typically goes up for. Currently at 100.89 to 105.24 is where the first sell UFO is, and of course the buy UFO down below at 80.47 to 77.83. According to the OVX, we're looking at 48.77% volatility, which again for crude oil is not unexpected, given the fact that after the Russian invasion in Ukraine has occurred, that has placed enormous pressure on this market, uh, and overall supply chain disruptions that it has caused have just been reflected onto crude oil's daily movement. All right. If you need the Auto UFOs app, just the software that we have running, just the apps themselves, they are available to you as well. You can use this link here to subscribe to any of these apps. They are available on TradingView, TradeStation, MetaTrader, and of course our very own platform Top, which I'll be talking about in just a second. It comes with a monthly or yearly membership. All right. Looking at gold next. Gold is currently still in a down climate in a sell UFO, 17.045 to 17.44.3. Gold has been very quiet in this sell off area here. As we see, it's been going down for 21 days out of typically six, so excessively extended down climate. The nearest buy UFO is at 16.52.8 to 16.24.4. And of course, according to GVZ, we're looking at 18.63% volatility with a daily expected move of 20.06. All right, now if you need coaching or support, we also have that available for you as well. We have daily live trading sessions that are available with the membership, and of course, their recordings afterwards with a free membership. But on top of that, we have all asset advanced coaching that is available for you, where you can set up and sign up with any one of these instructors, a one-on-one session to have them, review what you are currently doing. If there's maybe some additional information that can be provided or some help that could be provided in helping you reach the consistency and um, results that you want to achieve. So use this link here, or of course the one down below. Okay, looking at the dollar next. The dollar is currently still in an unconfirmed down climate. Nearest buy UFO is at 105.440 to 104.405. According to EVZ, we're looking at 12.58% volatility. Daily expected move is 0.85. The dollar's just been on an upward move for quite some time now, picking up pace and essentially establishing parity with the euro. Um, I would say about a couple of weeks ago, which was very interesting to see. And in this area right here is where they reached parity. Overall, though, as we see also based on the prevalence of the climate down here, we do see that we have primarily up climates down below. So we do see that there is quite a bit of strength in the dollar still. Okay, now if you don't want to read this overview, it is available to you Monday through Friday, whenever the markets are open on our YouTube channel, and as well as on Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, and just about any other place that we could broadcast to live. You can catch up those missed commentaries using our playlist. And of course, this link here will take you to our YouTube channel, where I would appreciate it if you can like and subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell notification icon so that you get notified every time we go live. All right, the next one that we have here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a confirmed up climate for the past 4 days. It's been heading upwards. We've had 2 confirmed days so far. Near sell UFO is this concentration of area of consolidation that we've had before, 29.432.5 to 31.732.5. And then, of course, the buy UFO, the origin of this move here, 18.922.50 to 28.32.50. Based on BVIN, we're looking at 84% volatility on Bitcoin with $1,266 movement for the day. Right now, that's all for the markets that we have to review for today. Of course, last but definitely not least is if you want to be a top trader, which is the Tradictive Options Planner, you can learn more and subscribe using this link here. Top is a broker agnostic platform, meaning you can plug in different brokers and trade different instruments. Ultimately, Top also allows you to take a powerful platform on the go because everything that is done on processing calculations and so on is all done server side. So you don't need the most powerful computer to be able to run really complex calculations that typically other platforms would require you to have. All right, and then news for this week. So for today, we have Independence Day, CPI in Great Britain, CPI in Canada, another national holiday in Belgium, Bank of Japan interest rate decisions and monetary policy statements, and press conference the next day. The euro has a similar thing where deposit rates, interest rate decisions, policy statement, press conference, and then PMI and manufacturing PMI in Germany, composite PMI in Europe, CIPS in Great Britain, and retail sales in Canada. All right, folks, that's time for the 3D market commentary for today. I hope you found this helpful, and I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye bye.